Hi, welcome back to my channel, Our Anxiety. Another day living with my anxiety. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good and you guys have started with acceptance and you are on recovery journey. Okay, so see, just like you guys, I also go and I also watch anxiety motivational videos, and I do read all the comment section because I just want to see how people are doing, what struggles they are going through, right? And also I say that you are not alone. Okay, so yesterday I got a reply from three of them saying that no, our struggle is our struggle and we are alone in that. Why do you say that you are not alone? You are not alone. Okay, why do I say that? See, this is our anxiety journey. We know that pain, how it goes, the racing heart, the negative thoughts, and all the physical symptoms, whatever we are going through, that is ours. I do understand that is our own struggle. But when somebody says, okay, yeah, even I am going through that such feeling, I am going through the anxiety, I am going through the panic attack, if somebody says that, you know, our brain starts relaxing. When I say you are not alone, it doesn't mean that I am coming and I am fighting your battle for you. No. See, there are thousands of people who are having the racing heart, they are having the chest tightness, dizziness, negative thoughts, and stomach issues, and off balance, what not. So many people are going through same kind of physical symptoms, and when you realize that moment, okay, the other person, he is also having the same feeling and I am also having the same struggle, right? So then your own brain starts relaxing that moment, instead of thinking, oh my god, is it only me, is it happening only with me, I am the only one, I'm going through the anxiety. See, when these things are happening with you, did you think that why me? Yes, right, you did think that, okay, so why I am going through anxiety, why me, that question comes, right? So that's why when I say you are not alone, brain comes to know that it's not only you, there are people out there. Even your brain start relaxing, brain will not run with the fear. Okay, here the main point is fear. In anxiety, the main thing is the fear. Okay, so we have to reduce that. We shouldn't be behind the fear, thinking that it's just me and there are no other people going through this, right? So that is not the correct thing. So when we say, okay, it's not just me, I have people with me, I have seen people going through the anxiety, I have seen the people who came out from the anxiety, that way we start feeding our brain, then brain will start relaxing. Even any symptom comes, okay, it's not just me, it did happen with me and it is happening with others too, so it's not dangerous. So brain will think that way, right? And that's why I do say you are not alone. That's why the community group is important, that's why sharing the stories is important, that's why comment box is very important, because when you see there any videos, just go and see the comment box and you see lot of stories there, then you will realize you are not alone. Okay, that's why I do say you are not alone again and again and again, and that's the truth. We are not alone. Okay, there are so many people are with us and they had gone through the anxiety, they recovered from there are many people, they are still going through the anxiety, and there are many people they will fall for the anxiety. So this is a life, right? So that's why when I say you are not alone, think positive way instead of that, okay, why you are saying that, because I am struggling my own battle for me. Okay, that's strong. That's what I just wanted to explain today. And let me know whatever you are feeling, just let me know in the comment section. And if you like, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you, bye.